Kelly here from OKSealer.com, a division of OK International. Today, I'm here to show you our Washdown Supersealer SS2 hot air sealer. The sealer does not only come in a hot air version, it comes in a band sealer version too, called our Supersealer SB20 Washdown. So you can get either a band sealer or a hot air sealer. All our sealers have variable speed in them. This particular unit has our BBY washdown with our Supersealer SS2 washdown. In the back of it are two drives. One drive for the sealer and one drive for the conveyor. You turn the knob on the sealer and the conveyor will slave off of it. All our units also come on mobile bases, right? You can lock those casters. These are stainless steel bases. Our pedestals are all motorized and they are aluminum. Now we take the controls, all our controls, and we seal them when they come in washdown. We seal everything so that you can wash it down, all right? Also, all the units, all the parts are either stainless steel or aluminum. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the motorized pedestal. See, the conveyor can go up and the conveyor can go down. And the sealer can go up and the sealer can go down. So let's seal a bag for you and then we're gonna wash the unit down and show you how that goes. So, here's our bag sealed on a Supersealer SS2 hot air sealer. Here you go. Another great seal from the Supersealer. Hi, we've now powered the machine down. We've unplugged it. We want to make sure there's no power to the machine. And we've got a hose. We're going to wash it down. The big thing when you wash our sealers down is it's garden hose pressure only. You cannot use a high pressured hose. Garden hose pressure only. So, it's going to take these bags off here, put them over here, and we're going to hose it down. Okay, look at that. We got a right? Anything. Hose it all down. Don't use any chlorine when you're washing the units out. Just soap, please. Just soap, garden hose pressure. Look at that. Wash it all down. And we're going to dry the unit down. And then we're going to come back after I've dried it all down. And we are going to turn it on and run it. We'll plug it all back in, turn it on, and run it for you. So you have your wet environment, your washdown requirement environment, anything like that. The Supersealer is what you need. Okay, we've now plugged our sealer back in. Let's turn it back on. Here we go, all sealed in here, up and running. We have to wait a moment for that temperature to come back up because it did cool down during this process. Usually getting the temperature up takes no more than 5 minutes and also cool down. How the machine cools down is the operator just hits stop in the evening and you have a 5-minute timer in the back. You can lock it out at some point if they want to clean up around their area. Just hit the e-stop and do a lockout, and then in the morning come back in, put the power back, put the power back onto the machine and turn it on again. And it will come back to the temperature in which we have set. Okay, we're back. The sealer's up to temperature and we're gonna run a bag through. And as I said, it doesn't take that long, however long. Usually the washdown crew is a different crew than the sealer crew. But here you go. Another bag sealed by the Supersealer SS2 Washdown hot air sealer. You need washdown, we can give it to you. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we look forward to the opportunity of working with you. Bye-bye now.